Hey friends, this is Chelsea coming to you from Ride Now Power Sports and Indian Motorcycle of Ocala, and today we are talking about our upcoming event, which is Unity Within the Community. This is going to be a poker run where we're involving many different parts and pieces, and I've got some guys behind me who are going to tell you all about it. This is Mountain right here. He's from our Punishers Club, which is an LEMC here in Ocala, and over here is Bugsy. He is also with an LEMC called the Copperheads. They're going to tell you a little bit of how we all came together.
With a very nice introduction from Chelsea, we like to create unity in our community, as she said. And we are a giving and service to others motorcycle club, and giving back with the Greg Graham Foundation is what we're all about. What they represent, build our community in a way that truly makes a difference for the business owners, the people that work right here and live right here in our community.
And luckily for us, talking about that foundation, we actually have the chairman of the group right here with us to tell you a little bit more about that. So Ben, if you want to take it away.
Thanks for having us. So we started this foundation to make sure that Greg Graham's legacy lives on forever. He honestly, when you talk about community people, there was not a person that did more for this community than him. We miss him dearly. The foundation was started to be able to support the organizations that are super important to him. Last year we gave to the Boys and Girls Club. Also, we sponsored people battling addiction at Beacon Point. Every year we will pick organizations to support that were important to Greg and to make sure that his legacy lives on. So we are so grateful that you guys are doing this to remember such a great man.
Of course, anytime. And then we have Bugsy here on the end. Now, our relationship actually goes back to when I used to work at a different place, but why don't you tell us a little bit of how this all kind of came into place? You came to me, I came to you, and how it all started.
I'm Bugsy Malone, and I work with the Copperheads. I'm also a sergeant with the Ocala Police Department. We're an international law enforcement motorcycle organization. Greg, or I call it Chief Graham, was a near and dear friend of mine, and he, like Ben was saying, he put into this community much more than anyone I ever met. And when you reached out to me, it was just a natural instinct for us to get involved and bring multiple people from all walks of life to come together and help for something that was near and dear to his heart.
That event is going to be starting off on June 5th. It's right here at Indian Motorcycle and Ride Now Power Sports of Ocala. We're going to be doing a poker run. It's going to start here and end at Ocala Hands at Bike Night. So make sure you sign up for that. It's $20 per rider, $5 per passenger. We also have a ton of stuff going on. So we have local businesses who you guys have gone around to. We've gotten a ton to raffle off at this event from, who's a couple of our sponsors? R&D Tactical.
So our R&D Tactical's putting together something for an annual pass. We have 100 Proof Saloon is putting together some stuff. We have Brick City as well is putting together full service events.
Bohannon Associates are sponsoring a basket for this. We have Our Place Saloon, we have Opus, we have Anchor Inn out on Sunset Harbor Road. Everybody has really come together to really try to make this an absolutely outstanding event.
And right here in Ocala, what we've done for you guys, we've got live entertainment from Humans in Disguise that's going to be happening throughout the event here from 11 until 2 p.m. We have a blood drive bus as well to give back to our community, especially during this time with the pandemic and everything else going on. And we also have a couple of different booths going on, have a couple of activities, so make sure you stop by. And we have Big Lee's barbecue food truck in case you get hungry. So make sure you come out, support the community as much as possible. This is our first annual event, so we hope to see you there.